I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade juice using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, which should yield roughly 1 cup of juice. Next, grab 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water. Don't forget some ice for a perfectly chilled drink. This recipe is straightforward and delicious. Now let's get that wonderful lemon juice. Cut your lemons in half and squeeze out all the juice, aiming for about 1 cup. Make sure to strain the juice to remove any seeds or excessive pulp for a smooth lemonade. Next, we'll make a simple syrup. In a saucepan, combine your 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this gently, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear syrup. With your simple syrup ready, it's time to combine everything. Pour the warm simple syrup into a large pitcher. Then, add your freshly strained lemon juice. Now, slowly stir in the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Give it a good mix to ensure all ingredients are well combined. For the best taste, chill your lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving over ice. Your refreshing homemade lemonade is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, you can garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness to your liking by adding a little more sugar or diluting it with extra water. This easy method ensures a perfect batch every time. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Store any leftovers in the fridge for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.